My name is Philippe Leviade, and I'm an asset manager with La Plateforme du Bâtiment, who specialize in the distribution of building products exclusively to professionals. Our contractor supports us in all aspects of heating and lighting, introducing us to Aerius, and together we have set up destratification of our warehouses. Destratification is a fairly simple process that recirculates the hot air trapped at the ceiling and blows it down to the floor so that employees and customers feel the warmth in a quiet and even way. The special thing about this fan system is that these units make no noise. There's no draft disturbance. It spreads throughout the store and it's very pleasant. One of the other advantages is that the machines that produce heat are in fact much less stressed as the destratification fans do their job of redistributing the heat. They are much less stressed and as such the machines last longer. The difficulty we have with these large buildings, which are quite hot at ceiling level since they are about 12 meters high, is that very often the heating production assembly is based on the roof. As a result, the heat is absorbed by textile ducts on the ceiling and remains trapped at high level. So we had to find a solution to try and bring the heat down, so that employees and customers would feel even temperatures within the depot. We put in Aerius destratification fans to direct the heat from the ceiling to the ground, and immediately the heat was spread throughout the store. To give you an idea of the level of stratification we were experiencing, where we were recording temperatures of 17 degrees in the depot, after installation of the destratification fans, the temperature immediately rose to 20 to 21 degrees. The effect really is instant. What's more, these fans consume very little energy. They're very light and they can be used anywhere. For example, when you want to direct the heat from a specific location. So we installed destratification fans throughout the store. We have been able to use financing for the installation, since we have access to energy credit bonuses. So our energy provider has ultimately enabled us to implement this innovative solution. It creates a very comfortable and pleasant environment.
sur le confort thermique.